Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Discord and click Create a Server from the Home menu, then choose a template or select Custom and enter a server name. Upload a 512 by 512 PNG or JPG for the server icon so it displays clearly across apps. Go to Server Settings and adjust verification level to control who can message, set explicit content filter, and configure default notification settings for at everyone to reduce noise and force mentions only when necessary. Start by creating categories and then add text and voice channels under each category for topics, events, and support so users can find content. Create roles, assign readable colors, set role order, and enable appropriate permissions such as manage messages or kick members. Discord supports up to 250 roles per server, so plan hierarchy. For sensitive work, use channel permission, overrides to restrict access to certain roles, and make private moderator channels for incident coordination and evidence storage. Select trusted bots from known bot lists or developers and invite them using OAuth 2 with Scopes bot and applications. Command /commands work. After inviting, create a bot role and assign only required permissions such as send messages, manage messages, or manage roles to minimize risk and follow the principle of least privilege. Configure the bot's prefix or /commands, set up welcome messages, auto-moderation rules, and a dedicated logging channel for joins, leaves, and moderation actions to keep an audit trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.